Hi friends, it's Annie from Anniegurumi again, and I wanted to continue my series on how to design your first amigurumi or how to get started in designing. So a lot of it has to do with just playing around, sketching a lot, having some ideas. I have this notebook that I've made in one of my friend's classes. If you happen to be in Hong Kong, her studio, my friend Rachel, is Senseless Art. Basically, she has a studio where you can craft and learn all sorts of things, and so I made this kind of scrapbooky looking book to put my inspirations in here. So what I like to do is sometimes I like to have my son draw out some things that he wants me to make, and then I cut those things out and then I put it in this notebook. And other times I also have inspirations that I've seen from other places. For instance, I'm learning how to watercolor paint, and I really like this combination. I also love the combination of this with the little black and gold in here. So sometimes that can be color inspirations for some of my amigurumis. I really like this color. My friend Rachel made it, and then I took it from her because I thought it was brilliant. I love the color shadings of this. I love what is this? Momiji dolls, and I think their shaping is quite nice. So I was thinking, okay, I want to keep this in mind for future designs. And as you can see, I have other ones here too to kind of inspire me. And basically this notebook is for inspiration, and you can see that I have many things here, and these are some future designs that I'm going to come out with. So I hope you're excited. This one is Orville the cat that is already in my Etsy shop, and I'm doing a series of curious animals that are in the style of Orville the kind cat. He is very fun to make. I actually made so many of him for Festival Amigurumi for the Sewing Box magazine. And so yeah, this is my inspiration book. And then I have another book where I have just sketches and scribbles and so many things. And it's nice to kind of keep it all in one place. This is actually, I bought a 3-pack of this, and it's a sketch pad actually for my son. And we draw together in here. So I have a lot of like inspirations on what I want to do. So yeah, these are some future designs that I have. And yeah, this is when I was designing the rhino. And as you can see, I just have so many things that are written out here. So I really wanted to do a leg or shoe that was stylized in the way that ballet shoes are, where they are on their tippy toes like this. And I had to do a lot of math for that, as you can see. So it's nice to have a notebook just for scribbling, a notebook for inspiration, and I do a lot of sketching too, so I just mindlessly sketch a lot to try to decide what to do. And oftentimes I work with different yarn companies, and they want to send free patterns for their audience. So what they'll do is they'll ask me, oh, would you be interested in doing any free patterns for our website? And then I will take a look at their yarns, and usually I will only pick 100% cotton yarns because that's my favorite, which is similar to this this rhino here, which is made with Hobium yarns, cottony. Or sometimes if it's like for a beginner, like true beginner, I will do something like Yarn Art Jean Plus, which is also from Hobium, like this, because I want the yarn to be very thick so that it shows up on camera better. And other times I will pick just yarns that I want to try out. And so basically my encouragement to you is just keep trying, just keep drawing, just keep frogging and redoing it, doing it again, and keeping everything nice and neat in one place. It doesn't have to be nice and neat within that notebook. As you can see, my notebook is not nice and neat at all. But I have one dedicated place for, like, you know, designing and trying out. I have one place for inspiration. I have a separate notebook when I am ready to actually draw it out and give it a try. So I hope this was very helpful to you. And if you have any other tips or suggestions or questions even, I will do my best to answer them. And I hope that you are all doing safe. I hope you guys are all very happy, staying safe, and I hope that everybody has a great new year. Bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.